I want to have a quick conversation with you about Selldone, and the question is this the best all-in-one e-commerce platform or what? Let's have a conversation about that. So here's a compendium I want you to think about. When you think about Selldone, what should you be thinking about? Well, Selldone actually is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows you to do a lot of things. I mean, as a store owner, you can create, design, manage, and cater to your business online, not a problem through Selldone. And the platform actually acts as a unified solution that really provides an avenue for selling different types of products and services. So from a versatility sort of point of view, you are really well equipped here, okay? So in terms of products and services, you can have charge cards, physical products such as phones, and any type of downloadable files and services such as a booking and also appointments. So that's kind of cool. And when you think about Selldone, I want you to think about a platform that actually offers tools like Page Builder, so you can create, for instance, a fully customizable, responsive online marketplace for products and services. It also provides a host of management tools for effectively handling things like inventory, so users, payment options, and many more aspects of online businesses. So the cool thing is with Selldone, you can actually manage your online store from a holistic point of view, okay? And Selldone also includes a series of marketing tools to promote your brand and store through different platforms such as social media and SEO. So we love the SEO sort of capability within Selldone. This is really fantastic. You are able to actually increase your organic traffic real fast by really taking the right actions through Selldone. So we like that a lot. And so if you close your eyes and think about Selldone, I want you to think about an all-in-one solution first, okay? So you are able to create your online store real fast. And so compared with other platforms, no-code, template, and plugin advantages actually empower merchants such as you and me to start going online hassle-free and fast. So that's kind of cool. So no-code makes it very accessible and scalable. No template brings simplicity, and no plugin really saves time when you really think about it. And from a scalability point of view, you will love this trifecta: no code, no template, and no plugin. So that's really fantastic. So who are the ideal customers of Selldone? I mean, Selldone is pretty straightforward, that's for sure. But Selldone actually appeals to, let's say, a whole area of customers. Basically, small businesses, solopreneurs, mid-sized enterprises, large enterprises, okay? So when we think about the core clientele of Selldone, you are speaking about entrepreneurs who want to start their own business, or small and medium-sized businesses who want to want to really turn their traditional business into e-commerce. In other words, you have a small and medium-sized business that already has a brick and mortar presence and wants to really go online, okay? So they will love what Selldone really offers. And customers of Selldone are looking for a quick way to sell their products online. Nothing really complicated, no steep learning curve, so they want to have a really fast way to sell their products online. But also what we have seen is that simultaneously, those customers want to have their own brand and promote their site on their own domain, right? No need to actually allocate or outsource your domain to a third-party platform. Now, Selldone allows you to actually get things done a lot faster through your own brand. And so you do not want to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to set up an online store, as you would if you were to go with NetSuite or even Oracle, for instance. So that's kind of important. And if you also want to really optimize your online presence through social media, Selldone can really help you. So social media, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, you name it, WhatsApp, Selldone can really help you, okay? That's really important element. So what we love about Selldone is that you have a community builder platform. That's kind of cool. You have a free online POS also. So POS, point of sale, and you also have social sales channel tools. So you have the ability to develop your online sales through multiple channels. What we love about that is that you are able to sort of roll out a complete omni-channel strategy through your Selldone platform. So you are able to actually generate revenue through multiple avenues. So that's kind of cool. Multiple avenues that help you generate revenue on a consistent basis. So that's the promise, at least, of Selldone. That's what they want you to really take, like, there's an ethos really. I want to talk to you about convenience here. When you think about Selldone, what kind of benefits can you expect to have? Well, first of all, and I've said this before, but I want to reiterate it. You have an all-in-one e-commerce platform. That's really important in terms of convenience. And you also have a robust store builder. So robust store builder in the sense that you are able to get on board and get online real fast. Okay, you do not have to actually have knowledge or acumen in coding. You do not have to have programming expertise. No, this platform has a no-code page builder that lets you create the right online marketplace for your business. And by the right online marketplace, I'm speaking about a holistic approach here. I'm speaking about all kinds of modules and capabilities that will help you in the end actually have the right online marketplace. So this page builder includes CMS, automation integration, cart and billing, and community platform, among other tools. So CMS here, content management system, okay? And Selldone also lets you customize many aspects of your site's aesthetics for a brand loyal appearance, so that basically you can really differentiate yourself vis-a-vis the competition. So that's kind of cool, especially if you are in a very competitive niche and you want customers to really associate your stores right away with your brand, okay? And I want to really come back to the all-in-one e-commerce platform. That's really an important element to really think about. Selldone is really has done a great job in the last few years to position itself as a comprehensive e-commerce solution that really offers a complete set of tools that online merchants such as you and me need, right? So I'm speaking here about what? Page builder, search engine optimization, social media marketing, omni-channel marketing. You have within Selldone, you have a host of UX features like visually appealing pages, customer incentives add-ons, right? Intuitive checkout services, and more to increase, in the end, your conversion rate. So CRO increase is an important element that Selldone wants you to really put forward, because that's what's going to help you actually generate more revenue and more engagement in the future. I mean, more engagement. There is a strong correlation, you would agree with me, between more engagement and more revenue. In this economy, what we love about the Selldone is that Selldone is constantly they're constantly innovating. They're constantly adding new features and new capabilities. They're constantly sort of tweaking existing modules to make sure that you are actually positioning your store like the best way. So how do they do that? Well, they actually have a host of marketing features. They have a lot of marketing features within the Selldone platform. And the cool thing is everything is actually is happening from the dashboard. So you can actually control everything from the dashboard. And so you have a central location to actually navigate your marketing strategies. So when I speak about marketing strategies, I'm speaking about all kinds of marketing activities. Think about Selldone as a marketing campaign management service that has a powerful set of tools for planning, testing, running, and monitoring marketing activities. And when we speak about marketing activities, we are speaking about marketing activities that are happening simultaneously across multiple geographies, multiple demographics, multiple time zones, multiple chronologies, so to speak. So that's an important element. So through this tool, you can integrate ads, delve into affiliate marketing if this strategy really fits your social media and overall marketing strategy. You can also boost social network presence. You can rank better in search results and many more. So ranking best in search results is important because it's going to bring to your store organic traffic. And organic traffic is actually the most reliable sort of traffic because you do not pay for it. You know, sort of unlike PPC, you are getting like Google is doing advertising for you, free. Okay. You also have advanced user roles within a Selldone. So Selldone actually does a great job in terms of helping you categorize your staff according to their responsibilities and their amount of authority. So from an accountability point of view, you will be really pleased with what Selldone is doing for your store, how Selldone is actually positioning your store for a future interaction with your staff. So Selldone actually lets you assign different managerial positions and other roles to different employees with different access levels, so you know who is doing what and when. And there is also a dedicated employee panel that makes role management a breeze. And this makes it easier when you think about it. It makes it easier to split the workload among your workforce for optimal efficiency. This is also important, especially if you have a geographically distributed workforce. This was really important, especially for Selldone store owners during COVID, when all of us were working from home. That ability to set accountability parameters was very important at that time. I want to talk about pricing here. So I want you to look on the screen here. Here is a pricing for a Selldone as of the date of this show. So you got to ask yourself, where do I see myself, right? So you can see that Selldone has a quartet of pricing tiers, right? You have the free, you have the startup, you have the company, and you have actually the enterprise. The enterprise, you might be thinking, well, it's a expensive $300 per month, but it's really cheaper compared to the likes of Shopify Plus or BigCommerce or WooCommerce, for example. What we love about Selldone is that they allow you to actually try their products and service for free. Anytime you have a software provider asking you to test out their products for free, you can bet they're very confident about the quality of their software. So we think Selldone is really doing a great job here in terms of allowing you, for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or even there is no time limit. By the way, this is a free, and it's really important to understand that you are going to test out the product and see if you like it. But please just remember that Selldone is actually charging you 2% on 2% fee on your sales. So they're taking a cut. They're taking 2% cut on all your sales. Okay, and if you go to the startup plan, they're taking 1.5% cut on your sales, and and that percentage goes to 1% on the company plan, and it goes to 0.5% on the enterprise plan. It's really important to understand that if you are a solopreneur, if you're a dropshipper, if you're an entrepreneur, and you want to test out the waters, you want to see, you're not really sure about the viability of your business model, then you want to go with the free plan. That way, you really have all the latitude to actually test out the waters. You have all the latitude, all the flexibility to see what you want, and then from there, you can actually see whether you want to upgrade or not. Just keep in mind that you have 1 gigabyte of storage, so this is not really that's not really that much. So if you want to go on the free plan, you might as well just have let's say 10 products or 15 products, because 1 gigabyte of storage is nothing, really. So what are the extras here? When you think about Selldone, what kind of extras should you be thinking about? Well, first of all, let me give you the technical details here. So the device supported, you have web-based. So this is something that Selldone has to work on. Right now, they don't have an app. They don't have a mobile app. So this is a little problematic, because when you think about like 35 to 60% of global commerce happening right now on mobile device and mobile devices. So not having a mobile app is really a bummer in our view. So right now, in terms of devices supported, it's only web-based. So you cannot actually run your Selldone store through your Android or iPhone, for instance. So it is what it is. In terms of deployment, this is cloud-based. So there is no on-premise software installation. So Selldone is not going to send a team of reps to actually see if your office can actually have the software. Now, it is cloud-based, so this is important to think about. In terms of language support, right now they actually will support you in 3 languages. So you have English, Dutch, and Swedish. So this is important to think about. I mean, we the last time we spoke to someone at Selldone, they told us that they're working right now on rolling out 3 other languages, including French, German, and also the third one. I can't remember the third one now, but yeah, they were working on 3 other languages. So this could be a possibility. By the time you watch this show, they probably have like 10 or 15 languages in terms of customer service. So the pricing model, as you saw a little earlier, basically Selldone is actually charging you per month, okay? And but if you have an annual subscription, you will save a lot of cash. You will save like 20 to 30%. So that's really good. In terms of customer types, you have small business, large enterprises, medium business. So you have an all-in-one solution that appeals to all kinds of customers. So that's really great to really think about. And in terms of support that Selldone offers, they have support through all kinds of channels. You have email support, you have phone support, you have a live support. So they actually allow you to speak to a live customer service rep. So if you have questions, they'll try to help you there. And in terms of training, that sometimes they have occasional training sessions and also tickets. So that's really great. So what's the value added here? When you think about Selldone, what kind of problems will Selldone really solve? I mean, basically, if you are looking for if you want to optimize your customers' checkout experience, that's really great to really think about. You might want to think about Selldone, because Selldone can really help you actually make sure your customers are having a seamless, streamlined checkout experience. Okay, and also one thing we love is that Selldone Community Builders provide a customized personal platform where you are basically able to post messages, bring your customers to date when it comes to what your store is offering, what kind of support you have, and also what kind of shipping process you have. So that's really good, and you're able to answer your customers' question, and you can encourage them to actually reach out to you. So that's kind of cool. And also one thing we love about Selldone also is that in terms of value added, you are able to get things done without coding knowledge. Because remember, the page builder is already there for you, right? You have the drag and drop. The drag and drop functionality allows you to get things done faster. You're able to install. You're able to install all kinds of applications and third-party plugins real fast. You can also choose a design template. So, do we recommend Selldone? Of course, we recommend Selldone because of that flexibility. Selldone is safe. Selldone is cheap. Selldone is actually legit. They've been in business for the last 10 years, nearly 10 years. So that's kind of cool. So we love the ability to have an all-in-one service. Okay, Selldone does a great job in terms of proposing an all-in-one service that allows you to actually be online real fast. So you can create your shop, you can add supplier products, you can deliver orders, you can receive money, you can settle your finances with wholesalers real fast. Okay, and so you are able to actually even avail yourself of the drop shipping feature within Selldone. So you can actually integrate drop shipping third-party partners into your Selldone store, and you can do this seamlessly. And you can even go through a Selldone's API to get things done a lot faster too. So that's really fantastic. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about Selldone. I give you the compendium, the convenience. I spoke about pricing, extras, and the value added. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.